Well, we gotta put some caulking. We gotta give it a good caulking in its cracks and crevices here, because we don't want no moistness and all manner of liquids coming in on it. So we pack these caulking to keep our carpet from getting stained. We don't want our carpet getting stained if we can put a nice healthy caulking on it. Get you caulking in the right spot, it shouldn't be an issue. Glop it on, ain't gonna hurt nothing. I'm gonna cover this up with heat pad anyway. Oh, a little mess with my caulking right there. Gotta be careful where you put your caulking at. You'll end up with a mess. Evidently, whoever caulked this thing last time thought pretty highly of their caulking, because they didn't bother to weld the patch panel in. They just dropped some caulking on it and let it ride. I mean, I guess it did what it's supposed to do. Here I am, however many years later, dropping my caulking on it. One tube of caulk.
That guy in a little coat. That guy in a little coat. That guy in a little coat.
Don't.
That guy in a little coat. That guy in a little coat.
Take it off. Serious.
Richard, what's happening? Oh.